In today's video, let me show you how to set up Venmo account for beginners. If this is your first time trying to set up Venmo, in this video, let me show you the steps that you need to follow. The first thing that you need to ensure is that you download the Venmo application onto your device, and as soon as you open up the application, you should be able to see a similar screen where you can simply tap on next and head over to the sign up process. Now within the sign up process, you need to add in a few details such as creating your profile, which includes adding in your name, creating a username, adding an email, and then creating a password as well. Once this step is complete, in the next step, you need to verify your identity by providing your identity documents. And once all of that step is complete, the last thing that you need to do is include a funding source. So once your account of Venmo is created, once you have created your profile and verified your identity, you'd be able to come across the home page of Venmo where you can simply add in or link a bank or either a card. So you can tap on either the bank or card option depending upon which option you'd like to choose as your funding source. So this is the exact process that you can follow. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.